Welcome back. This is part two where we look at the week ahead. So there's going to be a few central bank speakers this week, most of them European, and then Monday is a bank holiday in the US. It's Labour Day, so volumes will be lower. Doesn't mean volatility will be though. In the US data wise, we've got factory orders, PMI, ISM, so people have been looking at that one. Consumer credit, how much are people putting on their cards, how much are people borrowing. The beige book, which I really like because it gives you insight, which is not based so much about the data, but the outlook from each of the members of the Fed. Jobless claims, of course, because it comes out every Thursday. We've just got to keep an eye on that because I think jobs data is going to be one of the key elements going forward. The job losses, we're already seeing jobs available shrinking. Are we going to see more unemployment? In the EU, we've got PMI, GDP, unemployment, PPI, so inflation data there, and retail sales. Moving on to Germany, PMI again, industrial production, CPI, so again inflation data, and the trade balance. The trade balance is quite important for Germany because they're a major exporter, but they seem to be the weak link in Europe at the moment. So can they turn that around, and how quickly? In the UK, we've got PMI, we've got a Bank of England survey, retail sales, and house prices. And of course, house prices have been coming down. So it'd be interesting to see if that continues. For India, we've got PMI. For Canada, we've got Bank of Canada rate decision. So keep an eye on that one. Expectations are unchanged at 5%. The unemployment rate and PMI. Then moving on to Switzerland, GDP, and again the employment rate there. China, CAGSIM PMI, that's going to be the services, along with trade. And in Australia, we've got the rate decision there as well. Again, it's expected to be a sort of a pause, unchanged at 4.1%. And then GDP and PMI. And then finally, in Japan, we've got household spending and GDP. So quite a lot going on again this week. I expect it to be fairly subdued tomorrow. It's Monday after non-farm payroll, and of course it's a US holiday as well. But that doesn't mean that there will not be an increase in volatility, so just be a little bit cautious there. So here's a reminder of our services. I'm not going to go through it all. I do that in the first and last parts only. So, but we've got some great stuff. Just look at our website. We've just revamped all that. So have a look. See, there's something for everybody. And of course, we add on there some great articles in our press room, all about trading. So go and have a look at them. And we also post our daily newsletter there as well as send it out.